Ayon naman kay Trump, kung tutuusin ay walang laban si Zelensky sa Russia kung hindi tutulungan ng US, bagay na tila hindi nito minamahalaga. Habang nagsasalita ay pilit na sumasabat si Zelensky kaya naubos na ang pasensya ni Trump.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war,
You're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having
not playing
cards.
cards.
But right now, you don't. Yeah, you're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're
I'm
gambling
the
with the
president
lives
in the
of
world.
millions of people.
You're
Gambling with World War III.
what you're
You're
speaking
gambling
about?
with
What are you
World
speaking
War
about?
III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country.
Sa huli tinawag na nito si Secretary of State Marco Rubio upang i-escort na palabas si Zelensky at ang iba pa nitong kasamahan. Matapos